A road of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Our journey began with a vision to bring health and wealth to all the families of the world. And this vision has been our guiding star throughout our first quarter century. "25 years of experiences, some more satisfying and happier than others, but each one full of emotion and teachings. We have learned invaluable lessons, and through these lessons we have strengthened our principles, our core values and our identity. And it is thanks to that identity, to our core values rooted in our hearts, that we have advanced, grown. As we grow, we advance in our global expansion, expanding our vision throughout the world. In our constant advance we have evolved as a company. Today we are in more places, we reach more people every day. Our revolution has been a parallel process with countless social, technological and cultural changes worldwide. And this world changes constantly, incessantly, unstoppably. Change is a challenge. Sometimes it's painful, but at the same time, change can also be beautiful, joyous, and magnificent. Let's take this opportunity to make it a new and better opportunity. We have everything we need at our fingertips. Ideas, human talent, resources, and the best product. All we must have is the will to move forward. This is the moment. The present is our gift. Today we have the privilege. We have the unique opportunity to explore, experiment, learn, grow, create and contribute. This is the opportunity to become the best version of ourselves. We are on the road to a new world, where technology provides us with the definitive tools to grow as individuals and entrepreneurs. Do we have the potential, the wisdom, and the discipline to seize the opportunity before us? Are we going to resist? Or are we going to accept change and choose the best possible option? Of course, life has changed. But remember, life is made of constant changes. Life will always put countless challenges in front of us. How about we embrace change and take advantage of this new world of opportunity? We have in front of us the unique opportunity to change the world, our world. We can? Yes. We should? Yes. We will do it? Of course! Yes! The time to act is now. It's time for us to come together and make smart decisions to continue Gano Excel's legacy, our legacy. We have a golden opportunity in front of us. What shall we do with this? Gano Excel is the opportunity.